So yesterday we were expecting some snow yesterday, but it actually didn't start snowing until almost midnight last night. It wasn't the 1 to 3 inches that they actually predicted. It was maybe more of an inch, light dusting of snow, nothing crazy. But in anticipation of the power possibly going off again, we bought some brisket and some chicken. So that's what we did this morning. We came out here, got the grill ready, getting the bird feeder refilled because we've noticed a lot more birds coming around. There's no place for them to hide, and they're heavily feeding on a whole bunch of different stuff. So we went ahead and did that. However, it is about 20-something degrees out here, and the smoke's probably going right across the camera here because this is where we got it set up. We got the grill going, ready to put some brisket and some chicken here. All right, so it's already close to being evening. We got the brisket and the chicken in the grill. If there's nothing more I love than to cook out in summer, is doing it when it's snowing. We've done it a couple times. The turkey, especially when it's been about 1.5 feet of snow, especially when we were in Kansas. But it's just I don't know what it is about cooking out in the snow. It's pretty fun, but it is pretty cold out here. Did a couple things right here, try to get some stuff done, try to get some stuff cleaned up. We have some more stuff to do as far as the Christmas lights. We weren't able to do that. We're going to try to get that done, hopefully tomorrow, maybe the day after. There's still a lot of snow. It's turning to ice right now. It's kind of slippery. I'm just trying to hold myself up right here. I'm trying to stand right here in front of the grill. You can see all that ice right there. It's pretty slippery. It's not fun trying to stand right here behind the grill, but just keeping an eye on the food. Like I said, let's show you what we got real quick. But there is the food right there, looking pretty good. Maybe about another hour to go before that's actually done. But again, pretty fun doing this outside. I'm going to show you around, see what else we have going on now that the snow is melting, see what the front looks like, see what everything else is looking like, some of the containers, some of the pots that we have around the garden. Then we can do another video later talking about some of the prep that we're doing in winter, coming spring, and what to look forward to this season. Me and Andrew are going to sit down, we'll do that video, tell you guys what we're all looking forward to doing this year and what we plan to do with the garden now that we have this white fence that we talked about before in the last video. So that's something we're gonna have to work around with now. So it's pretty interesting, pretty exciting to see what we're gonna come up with that. But for now, let me go show you guys, slipping. Let me show you guys what we have going on in the rest of the house, and now the snow's melting. So hopefully you can hear me. I'm behind the camera now. As you can see, the roses are doing pretty good right now. Really not affected at all. They've been throwing out some little shoots here and there, so they're getting pretty excited. We have some hydrangeas here. Possibly do a video on the hydrangeas and the freezing buds. You can see one right here that's already coming up. Talk a little bit about the preparations for those hydrangeas and how they do in the winter. Move over to the side of the house here. We have some more stuff. You can see the snow starting to melt. We have some more hydrangea right there. Another Gertrude Jekyll right there. That's the viburnum we moved out from the inside. More hydrangeas, the Rose of Sharon's there. And all the roses covered in snow. Another hydrangea standard there. More roses, and the rest of the roses here on the side of the house. Looking pretty bare. We'll give those a prune as well and do a video update on those guys. Here's a magnolia tree we covered in light. Looks pretty awesome. All right, so this up here is not slippery. Thank God it's not frozen. I want to show you the front of the house. The deer we had up for Christmas fell over with the snow, but there we have the limelight hydrangeas that we're going to prune as well. Not sure when yet. We usually like to wait till the end of February, mid-March. But we'll probably end up pruning those a little bit early because they're getting kind of long. We don't want them to grow too big either come this spring as well. Some more of the snow just melting there in front of the house with the wreath. We lost one of those. We didn't talk about that on that last video, but it was buried behind the snow, and there it is right there. I just haven't gotten a chance to get up there and pick it up. So here are the winter pots. I know Angie wanted to talk about those a little bit, but that Dusty Miller absolutely doing amazing in this weather. Normally I'd probably start seeing that guy die down, but it's doing amazing. Those violas are absolutely loving the snow. We have that Blue Star Juniper that's still looking gorgeous. That color just looks great. And then these Tater Tot Arborvitaes, I'm absolutely loving them. They have that nice little bronze color right now that they get during winter. Here's the other one on this side.
Look at that. All right, had to adjust the color a little bit, but it's going up the stairs, show you guys what the front looks like. Here we still have these purple violas. They're looking gorgeous, looking amazing. I know a lot of people love the color of those and how those were doing. We have some thyme that's still going in a pot here. Thyme is an evergreen, in case you didn't know, but I use this almost every time we cook for some steaks and stuff like that. And then here's this blue point juniper, still looking amazing. Loving that color. And that kale just loves this cold weather. I'm loving the way those look. Glad we picked them up when we had a chance, and hopefully they'll continue to grow out and look gorgeous. But that's pretty much everything we have going on, guys. There's Strawberry Hill. I'm gonna give that a prune soon. Just wrap it up a little bit more around that trellis and kind of fix it up. The snow kind of unleveled this stuff, but we have quite a bit of maintenance to do before this season comes up. But that's what we have going on real quick, guys. Just wanted to show you around real quick what's going on, what we're doing today, what we're up to. Mainly just me taking the camera around the Gold Garden, cooking some brisket and some chicken out there. All right, guys, so it is late and gonna go ahead and close this video out, but the brisket and the chicken is ready. So I'm gonna get that off the grill real quick, go make some brisket sandwiches and some chicken sandwiches and enjoy that inside. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video, just showing you guys what we had going on, what the garden is looking like after the snow, and again talk about, you know, upcoming video on how and what we're gonna do to prepare for this next season. But I'm gonna get this brisket inside and get some dinner going, and we'll see you guys in the next video.